Hello, good evening, gentlemen. Today, let us play a game. Actually, learning is also a game only. With fun and game, if we learn something, it's used to be permanent, gentlemen. It's used to be permanent. Permanent in the sense that you will understand that concept in a deep manner very well, and you will never forget the concept. So, the meaning of playing game in learning is to move deeper and deeper with not much tension, with not much seriousness, and that too with enjoyment. So, enjoyment is the main reason which is needed most of the time whenever we go for learning. It may be any type of learning, gentlemen. It may be related to your academic, it may be related to your non academic, it may be related to the game which you play in the field. So, today I was just reading some previous year's question papers, and I found that one crossword puzzle is given. So every day whenever we see newspaper, what we see that there used to be crossword puzzles. Okay, and since childhood, if you have gone for that crossword puzzles, it would have built a very strong vocabulary for you, no doubt. It would have built a very strong vocabulary. So, for building a very strong vocabulary, if we are going for crossword puzzles and all, then it is really amazing result we used to get. Okay, so that is there. So, the crossword puzzle in the subject science we are going to learn today. We are going to play a game. Maybe a 10th standard level only, but it is applicable for everyone. Okay, right. So let us play that game. Okay, so let us see this crossword puzzle. So here it is, crossword puzzle is there, and we are already given numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So as I told you that as I was just reading previous year's question papers, and one game I saw there in one of the question paper, that crossword puzzle, then I thought why not to share and why not to play this game along with our friends. Okay, so it will be useful for all of us. Okay, right. So let us start playing. It is given across unit of electrical power means seventh place, and seventh is here. Across means this side across, so like this, and another one is down. Down means in this way. Okay, right. So in seventh, for 4 letters, it is given unit of electrical power named after the Scottish inventor of the steam engine. So electrical power already we discussed, and the unit of electrical power is watt. Watt is also having 4 letters, so we will write here watt, W-A-T-T, watt. Okay. Now, second, it is given, okay, if we will go for here third one down, then what it is written? Device for making, breaking or changing the connections in an electrical circuit. Okay, so for making or breaking we use switch. So switch is the device. Okay, here it is there, third one, device for making, breaking or changing the connections in an electrical circuit. So for that we are using switch. So we can very well write here switch, S-W-I-T-C-H, switch. Let us first go for across. Okay, one by one, if we are knowing, then we will write. If we are not knowing, then we will move to down and some clues we will get later on. Okay. Now, so first one already we have discussed, that is watt, here unit of electrical power. Second question is a rotating machine that transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy. So you are already aware about generator which is converting mechanical energy to into electrical energy, but here question is electrical energy into mechanical energy. It means it is a motor, it is not a generator, it is a motor. So in 8th place it is motor, MOTOR, motor. Okay. Then we will go for 9th one, the kind of electricity you create by rubbing a balloon on your head. Okay, or comb on your head. So it is one type of static electricity, gentlemen. Okay, so 9th one will be static here. So here we will write C, already it is there, static. Okay. Now next one, atom or group of atoms that carries a positive or negative electric charge as a result of having lost or gained one or more electrons. So we are knowing that from an element, if the electrons are lost or if it is gaining, so it is converted into ions. So if it is losing electrons, if the element is losing electrons, it will become positive ion. If it is gaining electron, it will become negative ion. So ion, 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 it is converting into an ion. So 13, here we will be writing ion. Ion. Okay. Now next one, emission of radiant energy in the form of waves or particles. So in the form of waves or particles, so you can say it is just like radiation, emission of radiant energy. So it may be a radiation. Let us see whether it can come. RADIATION. So most probably this radiation will come here. Okay, so radiation. Come as radiation. Okay, next one. It transmits electricity like copper. Okay, so we will see at the last. It transmits electricity like copper. So whether it is talking about a conductor, aluminum, or some another thing, because 15th is the bigger one, right? We will check it later on. Now 16th, opposition to the passage of an electric current. So opposition to the passage of an electrical current is resistance only. So 16, it is, we will write resistance, RESISTANCE. Yes. So it may come resistance. It will come as resistance. Okay. Then smallest particle of an element, 20th of 4 letter is there. Smallest particle of an element, here it is there. Smallest particle of an element that can exist either alone or in combination. So smallest particle of an element or matter, we are already knowing that it is called an atom. So atom is the smallest individual particle of a matter. Okay, so here it is atom. Atom, right? Okay. Now 21st is uncharged elementary particle. So we are knowing that in the nucleus we do have protons which are positively charged and neutrons which are negatively charged. So 21, sorry, not negatively charged. Neutrons are neutral. It is not having any type of charge, whereas electron is having negative charge, and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Okay, so uncharged elementary particle, so that is neutrons only, 21. So here it will be NEUTRON, neutron, right? Now 22, electric potential or potential difference. So voltage, that is VOLTAGE. So it will come as voltage, VOLTAGE, voltage. Now we will go for down. Now elementary particle that carries a positive charge, first one, so first one is here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elementary particle that carries a positive charge. So positive charge, just now I told you that in nucleus we do have proton which is positively charged and neutrons which are not having any type of charge, and electrons are revolving around the nucleus which is having negative charge. Okay, so particle that carries a positive charge is proton only. Oh, proton, right? Okay, now next one, electromagnetic radiation in the wavelength range including infrared. Electromagnetic radiation in the wavelength range including infrared, visible, ultraviolet and X-rays. So second one is there, this one. So electromagnetic radiation which includes all type of radiations, then it is light only. Light is an electromagnetic radiation. So it is light. Light, light. Right. Now device for making, breaking or changing the connections in an electrical circuit. So we have already written as switch, SWITCH, switch. Now flash produced by a discharge of atmospheric electricity, fourth one. Okay, flash produced by a discharge of atmospheric electricity. So this is lightning only. So lightning, LIGHTNING, lightning. Okay, now next one, complete path of an electric current including the source of electrical energy. So we know that it is a circuit, a complete circuit, then only electrical current will be flowing. Okay, so that is called circuit. So fifth one here, CIRCUIT, circuit. Okay, right. Now flash produced by a discharge of, already we have done lightning, complete path. Now sixth one is inventor of the electric light bulb, Thomas Alva Edison. So sixth one, so here Thomas Alva Edison, complete it will not come, it will come as Edison only, EDISON, Edison. Okay, right. Now force acting on particles of matter tending to draw them together. So there used to be an attractive force and repulsive force, but in all type of matter we do have attractive force. Intermolecular force used to be attractive force. So that is attractive force or intermolecular force, 10th one. 10 is here, gentlemen. Molecular will not come, MOLE, it is not coming. From A it will start, it means it will be attractive force. ATTRACTION, ATTRACTIVE. Okay, if we will be writing attractive, if we will write attractive, then in 19 you can see elementary particle consisting of a charge of negative electricity, so that is left, so that is electron only. So ELECTRON, it means attractive we cannot write here, it will be attraction. Okay, it will be attraction. Right. Now next one, electrical charge with more protons than electrons. If more protons will be there, then it will become positive charge. So here 11th, POSITIVE, positive charge. Yes. Then electric charge with more electrons than protons in 12th one. 11th, here it is there. This is 12th. So E is at the last and electrical charge with more electrons than protons is there, it means it is negative. So here we can write negative, negative, right. Now electrical flow through a conductor, 15th, whereas it is down. Electrical flow through a conductor, we know that it is current only. So here it will come as current, E and T, current. Okay. 17, definite quantity of electricity. Where is 17, gentlemen? Okay, 17 is definite quantity of electricity. So 17 is here. Resistance. So it is C. G has come here. It means CHARGE, charge. Definite quantity of electricity is charge. Okay. And unit of electric resistance, 18th, is ohm. Ohm. Ohm is the unit of electrical resistance. Now, gentlemen, this 15th one question is there. It transmits electricity like copper. So here C has come here. Again C is in the middle and I is at the last. Such type of material, it will not be there, but I feel that it may be just like conductor. Transmit electricity like copper. So conductor only allows current to flow through it. So it will be naturally conductor. So CONDUCTOR. Conductor is coming up till here only. Then this one at the last I is there. ONDUCTIVITI. So conductivity, conductivity, IVITI. But here actually it should be Y should come. I should not come in conductivity. Y is coming at the last, not I. Okay. So this one here, due to this positive, here I only will be there, it will not become Y. So something it is there and it will be conductivity only, right. So in this way, this particular puzzle we have solved today, and we got some knowledge also, and we played the game. Okay, right. Thank you.